If Canva fonts are not loading for you, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that solve the problem in most cases. This is a really common issue, especially when Canva is lagging, your browser is holding onto old data, or an extension is interfering with the editor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to refresh Canva, check your internet connection, clear your browser cache, and disable problematic extensions so your fonts can load properly again. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials and easy software fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing to try is the simplest fix of all, and that is refreshing the page. If the fonts are stuck loading, sometimes Canva just needs a quick reload to reconnect properly. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+R to refresh the page if you're on Windows. If you're on a Mac, use Command+R. Once the page reloads, give Canva a moment to reconnect and check whether your fonts are now showing correctly. If they are, great, you're done. If not, move on to the next step. The second thing to check is your internet speed. Canva relies on a stable connection to load font files, templates, images, and all the other design elements. So if fonts are taking forever to appear, your internet might be the real issue. Open a new tab and search for speed test, then run a speed test and see if your connection is stable. If the result is slow or inconsistent, try switching to a stronger Wi-Fi network, restarting your router, or reconnecting your device. Once your connection is more stable, go back to Canva and check the fonts again. If they still are not loading, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores a lot of temporary files, and sometimes those cached files can cause Canva to behave strangely or load outdated elements. To do this in most browsers, click the three dots in the top corner, go to Settings, then open Privacy or Privacy and Security. Find Clear Browsing Data and make sure Cached Images and Files is selected. Then click Clear. After the cache is cleared, close the browser completely, reopen it, and sign back into Canva if needed. This often fixes font loading issues right away because the browser is forced to fetch fresh data instead of using broken cached files. If the problem still isn't solved, the next thing to do is check your browser extensions. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and even some coupon or pop-up blockers can interfere with Canva's editor and stop fonts from loading correctly. Click the three dots again, go to Extensions, and then open Manage Extensions. From there, turn off any extensions that might be interfering, especially ad blockers. After disabling them, refresh Canva and test the font library again. If the fonts load now, one of those extensions was the cause. You can then re-enable them one by one later to find out exactly which one was causing the issue. At this point, if Canva fonts are still not loading, it's a good idea to combine a few of these fixes together. Refresh the page, confirm your internet is stable, clear your cache, and disable unnecessary extensions. In many cases, one of those steps will solve the problem immediately. And if you use Canva often, it's a good habit to keep your browser updated because outdated browser versions can also create weird loading issues with online design tools. So to recap, the fastest fixes are refreshing the page, checking your speed, clearing cached data, and turning off extensions that may be blocking Canva. These steps solve most Canva font loading problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please like this video and subscribe for more practical Canva tips, design tutorials, and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.